Ever wondered why some people excel in various roles? Transferable skills are the secret. These abilities, like adaptability and teamwork, make you versatile and appealing to employers, especially if you're a recent graduate or changing careers. Employers value candidates who bring proven skills from diverse experiences. Highlighting these skills on your CV shows you can thrive in new environments, even without direct experience. This adaptability is key to standing out. Reflect on past achievements and challenges to uncover your core skills. Look for patterns in your strengths and compare them with job descriptions. This analysis helps you identify the skills that make you unique. Seek feedback from colleagues or mentors to discover overlooked skills. Their insights can reveal strengths you might not notice, helping you build a comprehensive list of transferable skills. Integrate transferable skills throughout your CV, using specific examples to demonstrate their application. Tailor your CV to match the skills required in job descriptions, making you a compelling candidate. Don't just list skills, show how you've used them. For instance, describe how your problem-solving improved efficiency by 20%. This approach makes your CV more engaging and impactful. Prepare examples using the STAR method to highlight your skills during interviews. Link past experiences to new job requirements, showing how your skills are relevant and beneficial to potential employers. By mastering the art of showcasing transferable skills, you'll enhance your career prospects. Start identifying and highlighting these skills with CV Maker today to unlock new opportunities and impress employers.